ओम भर्गभुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Namaskar dear students and welcome to revision videos class 8th English, and we are going to discuss question answer of chapter number 4, Saving Chilika. Let's discuss the question answer. Page number 42 you open and we'll just start a revision. Come on India. Question number A. Choose the correct answers. The two problems, number 1, the two problems that led to Chilika becoming a degraded site were, which were the two problems? Answer: poaching and the lake losing its salinity. Number 2, seeing the twig in the egret's beak. Nandakishore, 3 options are given. Which is the correct one? Realized that it was building its nest, was filled with joy, or wanted to save the birds of Chilika. Answer A is correct. Okay, realize that it was building its nest. Number 3, the dirty dozen came back to Nandakishore's house. 3 options are given. A, to threaten him once again. B, because his words had moved them. C, to expel someone from their team. Answer B is the correct one. Alright dear students. Number 4, the former poachers were trained so that 3 options we are having. Chilika became a Ramsar site again. B, they didn't start poaching again. C, their vast knowledge of the birds can be used. So over here C option is the correct one. Let's go forward. Question number B. Read these lines from the text and answer the questions. And dear students, for your kind information, in my audio, what to write in notebook and what to write in textbook, I told you in the beginning when we start our syllabus, reading and explanation in former videos. You all have to write this B question in your notebook, not in textbook. We were writing in 7th standard, but in this standard the answers are very big, so you don't have the space in the textbook. That's why I am insisting to write this B questions answer, reference to contest answer, in your notebook itself. Alright dear students. First one, once again I read the line taken from the textbook. Once again he felt a deep sense of guilt and vowed that he would do everything possible to save the birds. Vow means swear, kasam khana. There are 3 questions ABC. Let's see one first. Who does he refer to over here? He word is used for whom actually? Alright? He refers to Nandakishore Bhujbal. Right? Very easy answer. Question number 2 means B actually. Question B. Why had the person felt guilty earlier? Why guilty? Why did the person feel guilty now? 2 questions are there in the question B. Let's see the answer. As a young boy, Nandakishore had once sought an egret. All of you are having notebooks, and in the notebook questions answers are written. Okay, whatever I have sent in your WhatsApp group. So everybody, you can open your textbook as well your notebook, so you can read and properly understand what are actually written. If any problem, actually, although I have checked all the things you have sent, and those who are unable to give me book for checking, so they can open and just check any mistakes are there or not. Alright, dear students, let's open your notebook. So as a young boy, Nand Kishore had once sought and a great bird actually near Lake Chilika. The bird had fallen to the ground, holding a twig in its mouth. And Nand Kishore realized that the great must have been carried the twig to build a nest. He was filled with remorse, penance, paschatap actually. Okay, this is a first question answer. Alright? Now second question means in the B, second question is there, why did the person feel guilty now? Right? Let's see the answer. When Nand Kishore came back to Chilika again after some time and saw that only a few thousand birds were left, he was once again filled with a deep sense of guilt actually. Alright? Now we go for question number C. What was the first thing he did to save the birds? Answer C. The first thing that Nand Kishore did was talk to the people in the neighboring villages. He found out that the birds were being poached illegally caught actually. Poached by a group called the Dirty Dozen. It was the group you everybody know. It was controlled by Madhu Bera. Okay, we don't go in detail in this question. Answer. Okay, this is the question number C answer. Let's go forward. Number 2, reference to contest. A week later, line is taken from textbook. A week later, the Dirty Dozen were back at Nand Kishore's doorstep. Alright? This line. Let's see the questions. ABC. First of all, A. What had happened a week earlier? Okay, let's see the answer. One night, a week before this, Madhu Bera, armed with weapons, means he was carrying the weapons with him, had gone to Nand Kishore's house and threatened him with dire consequences if he didn't stop interfering with their livelihood. Okay, very dire, that means very dangerous result will be. Unafraid, Nand Kishore had told them that they could kill him, but they should spare the birds, as the birds had nowhere else to go. Nowhere, not nowhere. Actually, we can pronounce in the both way. Actually, spelling is okay, same for both pronunciation. Nowhere. Nowhere we can pronounce, and now here we can also pronounce. Right? So over here, nowhere. जाने की एक भी जगह बाकी नहीं थी. Right? No. Very easy, everybody. Question number B. Why had the Dirty Dozen come back to Nand Kishore's doorstep a week later? एक वीक के बाद. Question number B answer. Nand Kishore's words had deeply touched Madhu Bera. Whenever our heart is pure, we don't have any self-interest and speak to any other person, he will be touched with our words, whether it is harsh or simple words. Nand Kishore's words had deeply touched Madhu Bera, the leader of the Dirty Dozen, so much so that the group had decided to give up poaching and had thrown their weapons into the lake. They had gone back to Nand Kishore's house to tell him about their decision that they have made. Their life suddenly, all of a sudden, changed because of these kind and gentle efforts of Nand Kishore to save the Chilika and birds. Alright, dear students, Let's see the now question number C. Why was this event so important in the history of Chalika? Answer number C. This was an important event in the history of Chalika as the poachers went on to protect the birds of Chalika. The former poachers were trained to become natural guides and helped in Nand Kishore's ecotourism efforts. The poachers turned protectors, patrolled the waterways of Chilika, took nature lovers around in their boats. As they knew the whereabouts of each species and provided food to visitors. The ones with better communication skills became guides. All these efforts improved the ecology of Chilika, whereby Chilika was removed from the dreaded red list. So, this thing, an incident, an event is recorded in the pages of the history of Chilika. Dear students, history of Chilika. Patapetus is going on now. Right? This is the beauty of nature. Means drizzling, falling rain. Alright? Let's go forward. The question number C. Question answer discussion. Question number C. Answer in detail. Hello, all of you. Are you not getting bored? If you are getting bored, stretching exercise. Come on. Hands up, everybody. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. By the side. Yes, you can do it. There is no problem. Yes. Now, breathe properly. Likewise we do, so we can get energy and enthusiasm to do work. Okay? With more energy and enthusiasm we can do our work. So this is necessary. Ramdev Baba, you everybody knows. Okay? So dear students, let's go forward. Question number C. Answer in detail. Question number 1. Total there are 1 to 6 questions. We'll discuss some questions answered in this video. Number 1. What led to Chilika being listed as a degraded site? Question number 1 answer. Chilika was listed as a degraded site. There were some basic, reasons. Let's see one by one, everybody, in this answer. Because of a dual tragedy. Dual tragedy means two tragedy. Tragedy means tragic event happened. Because of a two tragedy that struck Chilika. Firstly, remember everybody. Firstly, there was rampant poaching. Recklessly poaching means illegally catching. About 1,000 birds were killed every day by shooting and by trapping in nets and by poisoning them with pesticides. And soon the number of birds dwindled to just a few thousand. This was the first reason actually. Secondly, around the same time, the mouth of the lake started narrowing down till it almost closed. So the amount of seawater entering the lake decreased. Due to reduced salinity, many freshwater weeds began to grow. Unwanted grasses began to grow, which in turn destroyed the vegetation of the lake. All this destroyed the ecology of Chilika and made it a degraded site. Dear students, we'll keep till here question number 2 to 6. Question D, E, we'll discuss in video number 2. Alright, dear students, till now we keep. Have a good day and namaskar.